Testosterone isn't just a hormone, it's what makes you you. It's the driving force behind your energy, confidence, strength, and, let's be real, your masculinity. But your testosterone is under attack, and you probably don't even realize it. Every single day you're surrounded by things that are quietly draining your T levels, leaving you weaker, lazier, and less focused than you should be. In this video, I'm exposing 7 everyday things that are destroying your testosterone levels. Let's get down to business. Number 1. Plastic poison. How everyday products are wrecking your hormones. You probably don't think twice about the plastic bottle you're drinking from or the containers you use to microwave your food. But here's the hard truth. Plastic is quietly poisoning your testosterone levels. Sounds dramatic? It's not. Most plastics are loaded with chemicals like BPA and phthalates, which are endocrine disruptors, a fancy term for hormone wreckers. When these chemicals enter your body, they mimic estrogen, the exact opposite of what you need as a man. Estrogen overload throws your hormone balance out of whack, lowering your testosterone levels and leaving you feeling weaker, moodier, and less driven. It's like kryptonite for your masculinity. And it's not just water bottles or food containers. These chemicals are everywhere. Your shampoo, your deodorant, even the receipts you touch at the store. Every little exposure adds up, slowly sabotaging your body from the inside out. But here's the good news. You can fight back. Switch to stainless steel or glass bottles. Stop microwaving food in plastic. Look for products labeled BPA-free or phthalate-free. Small changes add up to massive results. Protect your hormones, protect your future, and leave the plastic poison behind. Your testosterone and your potential depend on it. Number 2. Your shower is killing your gains. Think your shower is just for cleaning up? Think again. That daily rinse could secretly be sabotaging your gains, and you'd never know it. Here's the deal. Most of the water coming out of your shower head isn't as pure as you think. It's loaded with chlorine and other chemicals designed to kill bacteria. But guess what else they mess with? Your testosterone. When chlorine seeps into your skin or gets inhaled as steam, it doesn't just stay there. It enters your bloodstream and disrupts your endocrine system. This lowers your testosterone levels, zaps your energy, and slows down your recovery after workouts. Translation, you're putting in the hours at the gym only to have your shower undo the progress. And it doesn't stop there. Many soaps and shampoos are packed with parabens and sulfates, which are like little assassins for your hormones. They might leave you smelling good, but they're not doing your masculinity any favors. So what's the fix? Invest in a good shower filter to remove harmful chemicals from your water. Switch to natural, chemical-free soaps and shampoos. These small tweaks will help protect your hormones, keep your gains intact, and leave you feeling stronger, both in and out of the gym. Number 3. The food industry's secret war on your testosterone. The food industry doesn't care about your testosterone, it cares about profits. And in the process of mass-producing convenience, it's quietly launching a full-scale attack on your hormones. Think about what's in your food. Processed meats, seed oils, sugar-filled snacks. These aren't just bad for your waistline, they're actively lowering your testosterone levels. Let's start with the obvious culprit, sugar. Every time you down a soda or snack on some candy, your insulin spikes and testosterone takes a nosedive. Your body spends so much energy dealing with sugar overload that it can't focus on producing hormones. Then there are seed oils, soybean, canola, sunflower, the kings of processed foods. These oils promote inflammation, which wrecks your hormone balance. And don't even get me started on all the additives and preservatives. MSG, artificial sweeteners, and synthetic chemicals may make your food taste great, but they're wreaking havoc on your body behind the scenes. What can you do? Stick to real, whole foods. Think lean meats, eggs, fruits, vegetables, and healthy fats like olive oil and avocado. Read ingredient labels like your life depends on it, because it kind of does. The food industry isn't going to protect your testosterone. That's your job. Number 4. Blue light is draining your manhood. Here's something no one's telling you. The screen you're staring at right now might be quietly wrecking your testosterone. Blue light, yeah, the same stuff blasting out of your phone, laptop, and TV does more than ruin your sleep. It's also sabotaging your hormones and draining your manhood. Here's how it works. Your body's testosterone production is tightly linked to your circadian rhythm, the internal clock that runs your sleep-wake cycle. Blue light exposure, especially at night, throws that rhythm completely out of whack. Your brain gets tricked into thinking it's daytime, so it suppresses melatonin production, which is crucial for quality sleep. And without deep restorative sleep, your testosterone levels take a massive hit. No sleep, no gains. It's that simple. But it doesn't stop there. Excessive blue light exposure has been shown to increase oxidative stress and inflammation in the body, two things that love to mess with your hormones. Pair that with endless hours of screen time, and you've got a recipe for low energy, poor focus, and a noticeable dip in your drive, both physically and mentally. The fix? Limit your screen time, especially after sunset. Use blue, light-blocking glasses or filters, and make your bedroom a no-screen zone. Your testosterone thrives in darkness and rest, not in the glow of a Netflix binge. Take control of your light exposure, and you'll notice the difference where it counts. Your energy, your mood, and your results. Number 5. Why stress is slowly killing your testosterone. Stress is like a silent killer for your testosterone. You might not see it, but it's working in the background, wrecking your hormones, stealing your energy, and turning you into a weaker version of yourself. Here's how it works. When you're stressed, your body releases cortisol, the infamous stress hormone. And while cortisol has its uses, too much of it is a disaster for your testosterone levels. Cortisol and testosterone are like rivals in your body. When one goes up, the other goes down. Chronic stress keeps your cortisol levels sky high, which means your testosterone is constantly stuck in the basement. Think about it. Every time you're freaking out over school, work, or that pointless argument on social media, your body is literally shutting down the processes that make you a man. But it's not just hormones. Stress wrecks your sleep, drains your energy, and leaves you too distracted to focus on the things that actually matter, like your goals, your fitness, and your mental health. It's a vicious cycle that keeps you stuck. The fix? Start managing stress like your future depends on it, because it does. Hit the gym, meditate, journal, or just take a break from the chaos. Learn to respond, not react. And remember, every moment of calm you create is a win for your testosterone and your life. Number 6. Why your mental weakness is lowering your T levels. You might think mindset and hormones are unrelated, but they're tightly connected. Every time you fold under pressure, avoid challenges, or let fear control your decisions, you're programming your body to lower your testosterone. Testosterone is the hormone of confidence, action, and dominance. It thrives when you step up, take risks, and push past limits. But when you play small, procrastinate, or give in to self-doubt, your body gets the signal that it doesn't need to produce as much testosterone. Why would it? You're not using it. You're training yourself to stay in survival mode instead of beast mode. Mental weakness also leads to stress, anxiety, and bad habits, like binge-watching Netflix instead of hitting the gym or scrolling endlessly instead of chasing your goals. All of these things drive cortisol through the roof, and as we've already discussed, cortisol and testosterone are sworn enemies. The fix? Build mental resilience. Challenge yourself every day, whether it's in the gym, at work, or in your personal life. Adopt a do-it-anyway mindset. When you train your mind to thrive under pressure, your body follows suit. Mental toughness doesn't just make you stronger, it fuels your testosterone, your confidence, and your future. Number 7. Porn is destroying your brain and your hormones. Porn is doing more damage than you think. It's not just a harmless habit or a quick way to pass the time, it's a full-scale assault on your brain and your hormones. Every time you indulge, you're rewiring your brain for failure and robbing your body of its natural drive. Here's how it works. When you watch porn, your brain gets flooded with dopamine, the feel-good chemical. But it's an unnatural spike, far beyond what you'd experience from real-life accomplishments or relationships. Over time, your brain builds a tolerance, meaning you need more and more stimulation to get the same high. This doesn't just kill your motivation, it fries your dopamine receptors, making everyday life feel dull and boring. And the impact on your hormones? Brutal. Porn tricks your brain into thinking you're achieving reproductive success without any actual effort. As a result, your body lowers testosterone production. It assumes you've already won and doesn't need to push you to achieve anything. Your energy, confidence, and drive plummet. The fix? Cut it out. Replace the habit with activities that build you up, like working out, learning a skill, or pursuing real relationships. At first it'll be tough, but the rewards are massive. Your mind will get sharper, your energy will skyrocket, and your testosterone will return to where it belongs, fueling your ambition and masculinity. Remember, it's not about where you start, but where you're headed. Subscribe to the channel if you are dedicated to becoming your best self. Let's keep the momentum going.